Welcome back, Peer Structure Traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is March 17, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be March 7th, no, 18th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold, giving you guys some levels that we're looking to trade off during London session and potentially into the US session. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and hop into it. S&P 500 did have a decent morning downward move. For the US session, you can see we started to gradually pull down into one of our main levels here, sitting right around these 25, 26s, bounced off that area, and we started to move back to the upside from there. Now, above these 42.50s was our long opportunity for a continuation, and then we started to move back up to the upside as we held the support, as you can see right over here and also over here. If you guys are confused on why or how to even find that out, uh, definitely you want to try to maybe jump in with a mentor, somebody who understands how to read the markets, or maybe even link up with Peer Structure Trading. We will be launching soon, so going to be some exciting content, information, and coaching programs that we will be hosting for you guys. But with that said, guys, again, we did have a nice move for S&P 500 to the upside here. Now, for the London session, what are we looking for S&P? We are looking to see if the price actually gradually pulls down here. Now, one of two things can happen. Either you're going to get the bounce in this area for a continuation or move to the upside. That could definitely happen. However, right here may be a difficult point for trading as well, because it could actually hold right here, give you maybe a nice head and shoulders, and fall right back to the actual support down here, right around 42.50. High side 47.75. So we want to see what the market gives us. For me, the long would actually be better if we can get the market to actually come up here and hold the support on top at the 70s. That's going to be a better long opportunity, but 60 does act as another level that I may be looking for support to have on this, and then try the long move from there. Underneath 60, bring us down to 45, 40 to 0.50 as well, right around that area. If we stay above those 45s, we should get a continued bullish move. If we get below 42.50, look for that downward move right back to the support. Underneath 24 to 26 is going to be the next level of 15 to 17, then 39.0350, then down at 38.8675. So want to see what S&P gives us. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P, give you guys a closer view of what's going on there. So for S&P 500, you can see we are trying to pull down. Looks a little bit easier to see here, honestly. Uh, for me, again, we can turn around and we could pull back here, but I do want to see the market actually get here to those 60s first and then go from there. We may find the nice bounce from that support and back up, but more clear movement for the upside move is getting above those 70s, and then on the retest continuing the move to the upside back into this resistance here, and then above that. Two or through on that one. Do want to see, again, if the market just collapses through those 60s, do want to see the market come into those 47 to 42s down here, and then maybe hold. If not underneath that, we're going to look for that downside move continuation like we did for the US session. Now this morning we did have a lot of consolidation for at least the first hour and a half, and we did have some minor levels we were looking to trade from, along with some major levels that helped us with the direction of the move. Now, being minor levels, then you may want to stick with trading only the major levels if that's something you have a hard time with, or if you struggle understanding the directional move. You may want to understand what types of trades you're putting on. If it's minor level trades, sometimes it's not the easiest because you're so zoomed in. You do maybe want to take a look at a bigger picture, kind of zoom back out, get a better understanding of the directional move and the trend direction, and then continue the trading from there. All right, but we did have consolidation on S&P in a similar area, which may have been kind of difficult for those who don't know how to trade those minor levels. So if you struggle with that, look out for major level trading. That may be the best opportunity for you. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly. Give you guys some levels on gold. Now for gold, you can see in an upward move, we are coming into a level of support that I Want to see if we actually hold this support right here at 1747.2. Now, if we just collapse through this level, next level of support for me is going to be around these 42.7s. So first things first, want to see if we hold here and then bounce. If not, we could get that collapse down into those 40, oh, I'm sorry, yeah, 42.7s and then try. However, get underneath here, you're going to fall through. You're going to come down into these 37.9s and then below that 31.4, 27.9, and 25.2. Now, if we hold the support here at 47.2, we may retest the resistance. We want to get through and then we want it to come back, retest as support, and continue to move up from there. So definitely what we want to see, but we'll see if it does that on gold. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on gold, give you guys a closer view for that. For gold, you can see what's going on again, coming right into our first area of what could be the potential support there. If not, again, 42.7 may be the next best level to look out for that support. So we'll see. For me, more of a potentially more of a minor level right here. It does touch the top of that peak, so we'll see if we get that turnaround right here and then that bounce back to the upside from there. If not, again, we are looking for that market to come into those 42.7s and then from there get that nice bounce to go right back up. If we hold underneath 47.2 though, we could go into consolidation and you may have an opportunity to actually look for the market to continue down from here and then go to the next level. So it may look something like this on the downward move. But we'll look out for that on gold, again coming right into one of our main levels of support. So we'll see what happens there. But that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these videos. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. For those who are subscribed, thank you guys very much and for watching the videos and liking them. You guys take care. You guys have a great night. Trade well.